Hey guys, welcome. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at the Canva Magic Studio, because I think few days or few weeks back only, the Canva totally converted into the Magic Studio, and they have so many tools and so many applications in the Magic Studio. Some are the AI powered, some are like there is so much. Okay. So today we're going to take a look at some of the applications in the Magic Studio. We're going to be looking at the free Canva plan. I was using the Canva Pro plan before, but since I'm not using Canva that much, in fact, not even that much, so I downsized my subscription from Pro to the free plan. So we're going to take a look at the free plan in the Canva and see how much we can use or utilize the Magic Studio using the free plan. So we're going to take a look at the different applications that is related to the text-based design. If you're a print-on-demand seller and you're creating text-based designs or even the templates on the Zazzle, you're gonna need some text, right? For that, it will going to help you understand how you can use the Canva for creating a text-based design using their Magic Studio. And we're going to take a look at all the apps that they have, especially catering to the fonts for the text. Now, if you want me to make a part 2 video of this, do let me know, but we're gonna take a look at the font apps today, not other apps, okay? Because there have so many apps in the Magic Studio. We're gonna only focus on the text-based designs that we could create using the particular apps that are catering for this particular thing. That's like a font app. So let's begin. They're paid subscriber, like I was having a premium Canva subscription, but I think a few months back only I stopped using it, the premium plan, and now I revert back to the free plan. So today we're going to take a look at the Magic Studio in the Canva for free plan. If you're going with the premium, obviously you're going to have more perks, more features and all that stuff. Free plan of the Canva to see how we can use it. Okay, so on the homepage itself, sign in, you're going to see Magic Studio. Click over it. Let's take a look together. All the power of AI all in one place. Studio and see what's there for free plan. Okay, if you have a premium, obviously you have more. So you have the Magic Ride, but this is for the premium plan for Pro. Okay, so no for free plan. Transform your content. These features are for the Pro plan, like resize and magic switch, magic animate, magic morph, so we can't use it. Text to audio and text to image, I think these are available for free plan as well. Editing made effortless, so add style to elements, magic edit, magic grab. Now magic grab and magic expand is for Pro, magic edit is for free. Okay, so experience all of a Magic Studio with Canva teams, access all Magic Studio features, enjoy unlimited access to our entire content library, unlock all premium features. So you can try it for free for 30 days and then they have the plan. Every month you need to pay that. Now weave AI into your Canva workflow. You can, this is a good thing. Like, we're gonna take a look at their marketplace, the app marketplace, and see which of the features they have incorporated in the Canva, because that's all part of the Magic Studio in Canva. So we have the Google Ads, create with Google Ads. Okay, then you got these apps. Now depending on the different stuffs like workplace essentials, AI powered productivity, design essentials, share plus all apps. So depending on the different categories you will be having different apps, but we can just take a look at the normal ones, like what's there on the homepage. So type extruder, font frame, like this one is the feature, I really love it. So we can try this too. Like if you click over here, you can use an existing design or you can use a new design. Like this is a feature is so common for print on demand. You can literally use for any text-based design or any kind of design for this. AI animated features with AI, then soundtracks with AI, then gradient generator, then you have the coloring book. If you want to make a KDP coloring book, it's great for that. This is for the gradient generation, that's also nice. I use Photoshop for this. Brand fetch, then they have a voxel art. Okay, type craft, they have pretty much so many. Like you can create this kind of like a text options, like flowing. If you want a flowing text or something like that for your print on demand, is perfect. New and noteworthy image to frame, like so much is there in their application.
but you can see which one you would like to use, and you can preferably use it. So depending on the different categories, they have a different AI powered, productivity, design essential, share, publish, so they have a lot more. Let's go back and go back again to the Magic Studio. So we have a lot of the stuff for free plan as well. For pro, it's everything. For free as well, they have something, so that's nice. We have already checked this, and this is the scaled AI control and protection and AI data and privacy reference. So this is the important thing. If you are using Canva for creating AI, make sure you read this. I'm not using Canva for AI at all, so I'm not gonna read it, but guys, you can read it, okay? So this we have in the Magic Studio design. So you can prefer your own size. I'm gonna take a custom size. So I'm gonna choose 3000 by, okay, it's a very common size. I used so many times to the application. But first we need a text. So I'm just gonna write a sample text over here. Okay, and I'm gonna type add your text. Okay. Now type lettering, customize text with standout effect. Let's try this one. Okay. So what do we have to do? So we are just using the Magic Studio, some of the apps, and see what we can use for creating a print-on-demand designs. So we got a templates here, limited. Let's try this one. Print isn't dead. So, or if I select this one, then we only getting the option of Magic, right? So what if we go with their template? Let's try something here. So I'm typing again, add your text. Okay, you can select the fonts. Oh wow, you have got a lot of the stuff. Okay, let's select this one, go back. You have the alignment. Okay, I'm not gonna fill it. You have fill. Okay, you have a different fills that you can select. You have the color. So this is the preview, like you can see. Or I can change the font and maybe try a little bit more bolder fonts that are more thick. Maybe try this one, and let's try. So if I add to this design, let's see how it's gonna look like. So you can see it's really beautiful, and this is one of their application, that is the type lettering. So let's go back and see what else they have. So you have the various different stuff. So you can also use this one, like I print wipes today. I just try this one and see how it's gonna go. So this is the kind of like a preview. You can change the color. So if I change the color pink to maybe green, wow, it's changed the color to the green. If I change this color to red, wow. Literally guys, you can use this feature for creating your print on demand design. So that's the first app we are looking at. Let's take a look at the other apps. Let's go back to the app section again once more. So these are the featured ones. Then you have a meta design check, Google Ads, issue. Okay, we don't need this. You also got training apps. So add design and dimension to text. Like this one exactly you can use for your print on demand design. So this is type extruder. So as usual, we're going to type the same text. Add your text. Now you also have the fonts here. I think I'm gonna go with stick with the font that is there by default. Now the alignment, line height, border width, scroll down. So this is the text. Okay, if I change the color to maybe blue, wow, it looks so awesome. If I take it as a dark background, it's dark. If I take it as a white background, it's white. And let me just play around with this feature. This is actually the border width. If I increase the border width, let's see how it's gonna look like. You can see the border width is increasing. I can increase even more. Let's just try with this 37.5. Oh wow, I love this text. Or I can change this color to maybe yellow, or maybe this blue. Yeah, so I'm gonna add it here. So you can see you got so many different apps, and these are available in the free plan. So you can use a free plane of the Canva and you create so much with the text-based designs. This one is the most popular, kind of like a font. You can see the people adding the images in their fonts. Let's try it then. Vibrant text with image backgrounds. Let's got the image and the settings. What's there in the setting? Let's see. Okay, you got the font, alignment, outline thickness, letter spacing. Okay, and you have to upload your own image. So let me just upload some image. You can also drag the image to reframe in the, like you can drag the image and you can reframe according to the text that you wanted to show, and then you can add to design, and it's very simple to create such text-based design. Okay, it's added. I clicked 2 times. Okay, so you can see, like, you can create anything, literally. You can see there are so many ways in which you can create a beautiful font-based design in Canva in the free plan. Okay, guys, you don't need a paid plan for this. Apps they have. So I'm just gonna type font here. So we introduce the font frame. Lobson. Yes, yeah, it is. Let's try this one. Okay, you have the text. I'm gonna write here the same as your text. And you can select the font style. Okay, I'm gonna keep the basic one here. You can see how it's actually looking here. And if I add to the design, if this, let's try this one. The brand fetch, what's exactly easily brand logos to your designs. Okay, you can get the brand designs to your logo. This is another important thing. If you want to create designs for putting the brand logos, like if you're creating the some of the designs where you are adding the social media links, so you want like an Instagram logo. Let's see if they have Instagram logo here. Okay, creating the template based designs in the Zazzle, you do need like a social media logos or social media handle, like you're creating a business templates and where somebody needs to place their social media handles, and you do need these logos like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube, Pinterest, whatever. Then this is a great tool for you. You can get the brand logos here. Like I can type the Facebook, TikTok, whatever, and I can use these logos, and I have a selection of these logos. Okay, that's a great app for print on demand. Let's just see what's this. Lorpus Ipsum, beautiful nonsense, one Ipsum at a time. Let's open this one. So you got number of words. I'm gonna stick with 2 words. 2 words, and font size is 16. Let's generate. Okay, the font size is pretty small, so I think I need to increase the font size. Let me select this one. Font size, I'm gonna do 50. Let's see. Okay, so this is, I don't understand, guys. If you have used this feature, let me know. It's pretty small. I can use the 100C to see one. Okay, so we have tried different apps in the Magic Studio in the Canva. We tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apps. And out of them, 5 apps for fonts, for text-based design. 1 was a brand fetch for generating the brand logos.
Okay, hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you want the part 2 for the Magic Studio, showing you the other applications or other apps in the Canva, in the Magic Studio that I haven't covered in today's video, if you want me to cover for the part 2, let me know. That's it for this video. I'll see you the next time. Bye, guys.